in the Blue Train through Germany. My moment accompanies a journey from Munich to Kiel. The Munich brewery representative Alois Seidlmoser is sent to Kiel by his boss. A Kiel shipping company is considering serving Munich beer on its cruise ships. That would be a huge order. It's practical that there is a daily direct connection from Munich to Kiel in the F-train network that has existed since 1951 with the F-train 33 Gambrinus. The head of the brewery has already booked a ticket for Alois on this luxury train. The old man is no cheapskate, Alois thinks while looking at his ticket. First class, great. It starts at the crack of dawn. Before departure at 6:35 a.m., shunting locomotives assemble the train at Munich Central Station. An E18 takes over the first part of the journey. This section is electrified. In 1949, the old hall of Munich Central Station was blown up due to war damage. The new ticket hall went back into operation in 1953. There has even been shunting radio in Munich since 1956. First it goes on the Bavarian Maximiliansbahn to Augsburg. From there the Gambrinus continues to Treuchtlingen. The F-Bahn network of the Deutsche Bundesbahn connects the major centers of the Federal Republic and will ultimately exist for 20 years until 1971. A diesel locomotive from the V200 series is already being pulled in Würzburg. Alois enjoys the journey in his comfortable armchair and looks out over the beautiful landscape of Franconia. The view from the window of the blue train is very varied. The Gambrinus now runs over the Main-Spessart-Bahn. There are still a lot of steam locomotives on the rails. But in our luxury train, there is no more loud panting and rumbling of the steam horse, says Alois happily. He leans back and takes a little nap. The Gambrinus switches to the opposite track. The reason is a track construction site. That doesn't harm the punctuality of the timetable. The German Federal Railways have installed buffers everywhere. Alois only wakes up shortly before Frankfurt am Main. The train wins its way through a tangle of tracks into the old merchant town. Change of loco. In Frankfurt, an electric loco takes over again. Punctually at 11:58 am, a blue E10 pulls the Gambrinus out of Frankfurt station. A blue loco goes better with our blue F train, thinks Alois. In Mainz, Alois looks at the clock. It's already 12:30. Now I'm hungry, he murmurs. In the dining car, he eats Wiener sausages for 3 marks 80. Not a lot of sausage for the money, goes through his head. But the window seat alone is worth it on this wonderful section along the Rhine and the Lorelei. Koblenz, Bonn, Cologne, Wuppertal-Elberfeld, Hagen and Dortmund. So many impressions. We should also advertise with a beer freight car like this, reflects Alois. Hamm, Münster, Osnabrück and Bremen. Such beautiful landscapes. And when you drive into the train stations, you always see a bit of the cities. With a length of 748 miles, the Gambrinus travels the longest route of all German trains. In northern Germany, the overhead lines are still missing in some. Therefore, again, a V200 as a loco. As a brewer, Alois naturally knows that Gambrinus is a patron saint of brewers. But why is the train called that? Alois asks the conductor. Because it connects many German brewery cities, is the conclusive answer of the railway official. Hamburg Central Station, Dammtor, Altona, Neumünster, and punctually at 10:35 p.m. Kiel. His business partner from the cruise line greets him warmly on the platform. That gives hope for a nice order.